welcome back. All right, so we are going to do Ricky's Cult Crushes. Now, as I said in my previous video, I'm not going to go over this subscription because they are currently on hiatus after September. And these are there's two boxes. These are boxes that were late coming to me because I did not receive them, nor did I even know that I was charged for them until I had went onto my account. So, these are July and August boxes. I don't know what. I'm not even going to try to figure it out. So just kind of roll with it. we're just rolling with it because at this point, it's cool enough that they sent them to me because it was just like a fiasco. So I was glad that even though that they're kind of doing away with this for right now, they at least, sent me something. So anyways, like I said, don't know if this is July, don't know if it's August. It's whatever. I'm not gonna get into how you subscribe to this box or anything because they are on hiatus. They're not taking any more orders, and I don't know when they will be back. So, with that being said, let's get into this bad boy. It's almost like a mystery box at this point. All right. Now, as always, you get your card, and it tells you what you got inside the box. Only thing that I wish that they would have done is actually put the MSRP at least on here, or if not the MSRP, it would have been nice, like, how much these things are. But that's not happening. So, first things first, some Ricky's Care Travel Wipes Makeup Remover. I can never go wrong with these, so that's all good. All right, and next we have from Glamazon an eyeshadow. You like my little head. Oh.
Yeah.
All right, so this is from Glamazon, and it is like, where'd you go? You have a name? Wait, what? Blondie eye / brow. Okay. So that's that. Maybe. Says it's super pigmented. It's not exactly the softest shadow. It's not creamy, but I don't know. Might be alright. Looks like it's kind of hard to blend just based off of my finger. So I don't know. Anyways, moving on. My dog is about to pawing at my door. We have this lash serum from Smack Beauty. It's Bathos Lashes Volumizing Lash Serum. I haven't even opened this thing yet, so. Let me open this bad boy. Can't go wrong with a lash serum. I'm always willing to try. Oh my god, my dog is like, let me in. You want to go let him in?
Yeah.
My dog freaks out if I don't have him in the same vicinity as me. Hi, Cody. That is a really big box for a really small thing.
Wow.
Like, look at this.
Why such a big box?
Why?
Well, I don't have a big thing.
Like, why not put this in something like this? I mean, but instead it's in this. Okay. So yeah. This is the lash serum. Good size. Not bad. I have to give that a go. And then we have from the Splash Cosmetics Vanishing Potion number 33 Waterproof Makeup Remover. Now this is like the coolest little thing ever.
That's so
Oh my gosh, you're like right in the shot already, and so I can't get this to do its thing. And then you take this off, and it's literally
Liquid.
this cool little bottle.
And it's green. It literally looks green. That's cool.
So this is pretty cool. I like this. Even if I were never to use it, like this is just cool. So this makes me happy. I like weird, like things like this. Okay, and the next from the same company is this Wickedly Divine Liquid Lipstick in Death Dealer. So there's that. And like this is seriously like really cool. That's the lid. My camera is just like, nope, not today. Come on, focus, there you go. And this is the whole tube, which is pretty cool, so. Yes, I will swatch on you. So that is that part. I'm gonna swatch on my daughter real quick.
I still have the leftover swatches from yesterday at Walmart.
All right, go show the camera that. So it's kind of like a purpley color, which is really cool. Pretty cool stuff. So honestly, that's it for this box. My camera needs to like, you know, hello, thank you. But honestly, of the two boxes that I did get, this one was definitely my favorite. I mean, solely because of these three things. Like I love the color of this, and I've never actually tried it, so I don't know how good it is. But like the whole bottle itself is really cool. I love lash serum, of course, and then this is just like everything. This is like so cool.
Like how it looks.
And apparently it smells like coconut, but it's so neat. So I'm all for that. This was a good box. So that's gonna do it for the Ricky's Cult Crushes. I don't know when they are coming back. I kind of don't know anything. And if they do come back, I don't know how much it'll be, or if I will resubscribe to them. So if I end up not resubscribing to them, I will try to find maybe another alternative, because we have Ipsy, and then of course we have BoxyCharm. I will be upgrading my Ipsy to the Ipsy Plus, or whatever they're calling it. So I will be upgrading that, but I'm gonna kind of like look around. I may do Sephora Play again or something. So I don't know. I'm gonna kind of like fish around, or if you guys have suggestions, let me know. I prefer anything that is like under the $21 mark, just because I rather, you know, I know like FabFitFun is like a huge thing. I'm just really not interested in it, to be honest with you. So if you guys have suggestions, leave in the comments below, let me know, and I will check some out. So I think that's gonna do it. We're gonna get going and, I don't know, go do something. So I think that's gonna do it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.